welcome to LearnCity. My name is Praise and I'm the mathematics tutor. And in today's class, we'll be talking about graphical method on solving simultaneous equations. Now, on graphical method, we have linear equation gives straight lines, while quadratic equations give curves. Now, solve graphically the following simultaneous equation. We have the first one to be 2x minus y, which is equals to 0, and 3x plus 2y, which is equals to 5. So now, in this case, we'll plot the table of these two equations and we'll plot the graph. Now, for these questions, we'll be using phase of 0 to 4. 0 to 4. Now, for 2x minus y. Now, we have our y to be 2x. So, we plot our table. We have our y to be 2x. So we have our y equals to 2x. Now we plot our table where we have our x to be 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have our y, and our y is 2x. So 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 6, and 2 times 4 is 8. Now, for 3x plus 2y equals to 5. We have this to be 2y equals to 5 minus 3x. So we have our y to be 5 minus 3x over 2. So we have y to be 5 minus 3x over 2. So we have our x, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have our y. So where x is 0, that will be 3 times 0 here is 0. So 5 times minus 0 is 5. 5 over 2. We have here to be 2.5. So where we have 1 here, that will be 3 times 1, which is 3. 5 minus 3, which is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. For 6, we have 3 times 2 is 6. 5 minus 6, that's minus 1 over 2. Here we have 3 times 3 is 9. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Minus 4 divided by 2, that is minus 2. 3 times 4 is 12. 5 minus 7, we have minus 7 over 2. Here we have minus 3.5. Now we plot our graph. So here we only have the highest number for y is 8. We have 8. So here we can have it to be 8, 6, 4, 2, 1, and here is 0. And for the negative, we have it to be 3.5. So we have -1. Okay. here should be, here will be 0. We have -2, -4, and -6. So we have our x to be 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now for the first graph, where x is 0, our y is 0. Where x is 1, our y is 2. So we have 2, we have 4, we have 6, and we have 8. So we draw our graph. Now for the next one, where x is 0, our y is 2.5. So our 2.5 is at this point. Where x is 1, our y is 1. Where x is 2, our y is, here is, can also be 0.5. Our y is -0.5. So it will be around this place. Where x is 3, our y is -2. And where x is 4, our y is -3.5. So we have it to be this. So this is the graph for these two equations. This is the graph for the two equations. Now for the second one, we have 2x plus 3y plus 5 equals to 0. X plus y plus 2 equals to 0. And we have x plus y plus 2 equals to 0. So for the first one, we have it to be 2x plus 3y equals to -5. So we have 3y to be -5 minus 2x. We have our y to be -5 minus 2x over 3 using 0 to 4. And the second one is x plus y plus 2. So we have our x plus y to be -2, our y is -2 minus x. Our y is -2 minus x. So for the first one, for our y, we have -5 minus 2 times 0. That is -2 times 0 is 0. So -5 minus 0, that's -5. -5 divided by 3, that is -1 point into, when we add 0, we have it to be 6. So that just as 6, 7. In 1, 2 times 1, which is 2, that will now be -5 minus 2, that is -7. -7 divided by 3, we have 2.333. For 2, we have it to be 2 times 2, which is 4. So -5 minus 4 is -9. -9 divided by 3, we have it to be -3. And where we have 3, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 5, we have it to be 11. In 3, we have it to be 3.67. That's -3.67. And for 4, we have it to be 4 times 2, which is 8. -5 minus 8 is -13 divided by 3, where we have -4.33. Now, for the next one, we have x and y. We have -2 minus x. -2 minus 0 is -2. -2 minus 1 is -3. minus 2 minus 4, minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, and minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. So we draw our graph. For y, we have it to be minus 6, and the positive to be, we have no positive number. So here we can just have it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So for the first one, when x is at 0, we have it to be minus 1.67. Minus 1.67 to be around this side. At 1, we have it to be minus 2.33. At 2, we have it to be minus 3. At 3, we have it to be minus 3.67. And at 4, we have it to be minus 4.33. So we draw a graph. This is our graph. It is a linear equation. So for the second, we have minus 2, minus 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have at 0, we have it to be minus 2. At 1 is minus 3. At 2 is minus 4. At 3 is minus 5. And at 4 is minus 6. So we have the graph for this. So we've gotten our graph for the second equation, for the second simultaneous equation. Now for the third simultaneous equation, we have 5x minus 2y equals to 16. We have 3x plus 4y equals to 6. So we have minus 2y equals to 16 minus 5x. So our y is 16 minus 5x over minus 2. So we plot the graph for x and y. So where x is 0, this is 0. So we have 16 divided by minus 2, that will give us minus 8. At 1, that is 16 minus 5, which is 11. 11 divided by 2, we have it to be 5.5. At 2, we have it to be 10. That's 16 minus 10, which is 6. 6 divided by 2, that's minus 3. At 5, we have 5 times 3, which is 15. 16 minus 15 is 1. 1 over minus 2 is minus 0.5. And we have 4, which is 5 times 4, which is 20. 16 minus 20 is minus 4. Minus 4 divided by minus 2, we have it to be 2. And for the next equation, which is 5x minus, okay, we have 3x plus 4y equals to 6. So we have 4y to be equals to 6 minus 3x. Our y is 6 minus 3x over 4. So we have our x and y. Now when x is 0, we have 6 divided by 4, where we have 1.5. Where x is 1, 3 times 1 is 3. That's 3 over 4. Here we have it to be 0. That's 7.5 into 3 times 2 is 6. 0 divided by 4 is 0. At 3 we have 3 times 3, which is 9. 6 minus 9 is minus 3 over 4. Here we have to minus 0.75. We have 4, which is 3 times 4 is 12. 6 minus 7, which is minus 6. Minus 6 times 4 is 1.5. So we draw our graph. Now in our graph, the highest is 2, and we have the minus to be minus 8. So here we can just do it as 0, 2, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. So where x is 0, we have our y to be minus 8. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Where x is 0, we have it to be minus 8. Where x is 1, we have it to be minus 5.5. So if our 5 is here, minus 5.5 will be at this place. We have it to be minus 5.5. Where x is 2, we have it to be minus 3. Where x is 3, we have it to be minus 0.5. And where x is 4, we have it to be 2. So our straight line graph will be now for the second one, where x is 0, our y is 1.5. Where x is 1, our y is 0.75. Where x is 2, our y is 0. Where x is 3, our y is minus 0.75. And where y is 4, our y is minus 1.5. So we have this to be here. And now we've drawn our graph for 5x minus 2y equals to 16 and 3x plus 4y equals to 6. And this brings us to the end of our class on graphical method for simultaneous equation. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and comment, and I'll be seeing you in the next class.